Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how I get my CapCut for PC. So if you want to download this CapCut apps on your PC or laptop, you just need to follow these steps that I'm about to tell you. So I get this CapCut for PC from the Microsoft Web Store or Microsoft Store. So you can just click on Start if you are using the Microsoft laptop. So click on the Microsoft Store and here just wait for the store to launch. Okay, so it's already open and then here you just need to go to search column at the top and you can just type in CapCut. And here you'll find there is a CapCut apps and click on that. After that, you just need to click on install and wait for the installation process to finish and it will be installed on your laptop or PC. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye!